Let D position of drone, DC perpendicular to the ground equal to h meters, DE equal to x meters perpendicular to the turbine. So EB equal to h meters and EA equal to 200 minus h. In triangle DEB for 30 degree reference, opposite is h and adjacent is x. So tan 30 degree equal to h by x. Use tan 30 degree equal to 1 by root 3. So that we get h by x equal to 1 by root 3 or x equal to h root 3. Angle DEA for reference 60, opposite is 200 minus h, adjacent is x. Tan 60 degree equal to 200 minus h, the whole divided by x. Use tan 60 degree equal to root 3. Arrange to get x root 3 equal to 200 minus h. Eliminate x by using 1 in 2. So h root 3 times root 3 equal to 200 minus h, or 3h equal to 200 minus h. Rearrange to solve for h. So h equal to 50 meters. Substitute in 1 to find x. So x equal to 50 root 3. Replace root 3 with 1.73. Height of the drone h equal to 50 meters and horizontal distance of drone from the turbine is 86.5 meters. If we need to find of drone from top or bottom of the turbine, we can use trigonometry to find AD or BD.